In this part, we are going to create these hard-tipped icons. So now we are going to the project and create a new component called hard-tips. So new file, and then we type hardtip.js, and then we create a component, and then we type hardtip. And since we will use the user icon from the hero icons, so we import this and save it, and then we back to the header, and under the red dot, and this is this red dot, we import the hardtip, and then we also import on the top, and you can see these. And here we can see the hardtip, not hardtop, but we start creating these by adding the class. So the first thing is we add the class name and hardtips, and this will be used for creating a triangle later. And we use the absolute, so it take out from the normal flow, and we have the top 50 pixels, so it will set a space from the top 50 pixels, and it has a background color red, and it will transform left 50% and then translate x negative 50%. The main purpose of this is to make it centered at the dot, and then we have some paddings, and you all can also see it has a rounded corner. So now we are going to replace this with user icon. So now we are going to replace this with the user icon, and we set the height and width of 6 units, and with the text color white. So now you can see we have this icon, and we are going to add the numbers next to it. So we are going to add the div with text white, and then the font semi-bold, and then we type 3 or 1. Now you can see the 1 is under the icon, so we are going to use display flags to make it in a row. So we create a div, and then we place it inside the div, and then we have the class name is equal to flags, so they will align in a row. So we save it, and then now you can see the icons and also the number. And we also want to make some space in between, so we go to here and add the space x1. So now we already has a very simple tooltips under the heart icon.